So anyways, I got home tonight. This locust, he's coming out of his shell. They say it takes about 30 minutes. See his eyeball. Oh, what is it crawling on me? Get off me. You can actually see him shake where he's trying to vibrate and get out. See him shaking? This is so cool. He's like almost out. He come out way more since I've been home. Come on, buddy, you can do it. You're almost there. You're almost there, partner. How cool. I don't know what's going to happen when it comes out. He's going to fly away. I'm sure he will. Come on, buddy, you're getting there. You're almost... Why are you flipping backwards like that, though, sir? You was upright. Why are you flipping backwards like that, sir? Oh, because you're going to take off. You're going to take off like a rocket. Please don't fly on me, sir. Okay, I got to go over here for a minute. Sorry. Left something behind. I had to go get it. There we go, back to where we was. I don't know what happened. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know what happened. I've really never really seen one come out of their shell before. This is going to be interesting. He's almost out. She's almost out. It's almost out. It's almost out. I'm sorry, am I invading your privacy? Look, it's almost out. Oh, it's almost out. See it shaking? It's almost out. I just don't know which way they go. Oh, look at it. Look, 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 it's getting ready to fly. Oh my. That's got to be a horrifying experience to start out upright and then you're leaning way back. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Getting there. I've only been filming for like almost 7 minutes, so I'm sure he's probably been sitting here longer than that. Foxy. It's probably going to scare me when it takes off. It's like it's reborn. Come on, baby, you can do it. It's okay. You're almost there. Come on, you can do it. Stupid little June bug scared me. I hate June bugs. I don't like the June bugs. I'm just getting tired. Switch arms. This is pretty wild. I ain't never really seen it do it this before. Wish I could get... Ooh. Wish I could explain the colors on it. It's got like its little wings are like red. See the red on its little wings? It's kind of pretty. Kind of freaking me out a little bit because I ain't never seen one come out of the shell. And I don't know which way they go. I don't want it to come at me. I just hope it shoots straight out. He's got 20 more minutes to get his butt out of that shell before my camera shuts off. Come on, you can do it. Come on, I said it only takes 30 minutes. Maybe I did catch him right at the beginning. Come on, you can do it. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Is it me or is he falling down more? Come on, you can do it. That's it. Wiggle yourself out of there. Come on, man. You got 19 more minutes to get yourself out of that damn shell. You can do it. And why do they come out of the shell upside down? I don't want to walk in front of it in case it comes out. Like freaking out, man. It's almost out. It's almost out. He's almost out. He is almost out. Did you see that? I don't want to be in front of him when he comes out. He's almost out. I don't know if you could see it or not. I don't want to get in front of him. But he is almost out. You see that? He is almost out. Wonder why they come out upside down. That's really weird. What was that? He's pushing with his legs. Can you see? Say hello, sir. I'm sorry I'm invading your privacy, your rebirth or whatever that's going on. But man, this is something. I've never seen it. I always wondered how they do it. Now we know. Look, I think he's just got them 2 back legs to go. Are you stuck, sir? What are you doing? Are you stuck? Are you stuck? You need help? I feel bad for the poor booger because he's just hanging there upside down. You okay?